Hello and welcome back to another AIQrArt 101 video. And in today's one we will be discussing one of the new features they have added, which is how to affiliate yourself with the company. This means you can become closer and you can gain benefits from the country yourself by using it. So first of all, there is a link to the terms and conditions, which will explain exactly how it works and all the details you need to know. So what you can do with the affiliate is you can make your own referral link. So here you can just type in anything you want, like AIQrArt 101, and you can press apply. And then this will give you your own link, which you can send to your friends, family, or colleagues. And if they download the AIQrArt and sign up to a payment plan, you will then receive a 50% commission on any payment they pay. So you can see here that there is lots of details once you have started the affiliation. So you can see that the today's snapshot, which will show you all the figures that you made during that one day, and yesterday's snapshot, which will show you all the sales you made yesterday. Down here we have the referral list. This is a demonstration. This is just a test list. These are not facts. So here we have the list of emails. You can track everyone who has used your link, what date they used it, and what license they sign up to. So as you can see here, only 2 people have actually signed up to a real account. The first person has spent $1, which has made the total profit of 50 cents. And the rest of these are false, which means they are just on a free payment plan. And then here you can also see this person spent 50 cents and the person has received a 25-cent bonus. So using the affiliation, you can now make your own money whilst using QRArt. You can then, once you have sent this code out, you can get people to go on the website and buy a payment plan or just sign up to a free one. Once they have signed up to a free account, they have 60 days until they can sign up for a payment plan, which will give you commission. After those 60 days, if they are using the same link, they will not get you any commission as they have run out of time. You will have to send them a new link, which will allow them to re-access the affiliate. Here we have the affiliate swipes, which if you click on this, so once you click on the link, it will take you to this page here, which will show you all the ready-made ideas for you to promote the business so you can make the most out of the commission scheme. So on this page, you can click between banners, email sequences, guides, or logos. We will click on material and social media for this example, which will then show us memes, quotes, or testimonials. These are just all little funny or inspirational ways to increase users, to promote users to use the app more. So here are just some funny memes to get people interested in the website. And once they are interested, they are more likely to want to use it day in, day out and buy a payment plan, which will then give you commission of 50%. So that is everything for this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.